Good morning, folks. We are going to plant some wildflowers. This is a wildflower seeding guide on the package. I bought this through Amazon. And that's what it looks like. That's the name of the company. And this is a cloth bag. I'm going to put it in a special area of my house. Right now it has a little bit of nasturtiums. That's what these are. It's surrounded by some container garden with herbs. This is sage. That's basil and sage. Over here is some kale. Can't see too well because I'm standing in it. And that's Swiss chard. Okay. So this is one way that I have container gardening. This is thyme. That's some more basil, smells very nice. Some more sage, rosemary. This is cilantro. And I am growing cilantro, which looks a lot like parsley, but it isn't. It's got a little bit more of a kick to it when you eat it. I'm doing that so I can learn to make fish tacos. So why is that box there? That box will biodegrade. It's a container too. This is a bulb flower called an iris. It's an early spring flower. This is some parsley right in the ground, not in a container. That is something else people eat. They go, no, that's a weed. Well, some people call that a weed. I call it dandelion, which is what it is. Okay. I also grow some grass for the ladybugs, and sometimes I use that to make compost. This is just a really pretty flower, a rose. It's called a peace rose because of its color and its size. There's another one. Pretty soon, as you can see, there's buds everywhere. And there's another one, another plant next to it, another rose bush. This is called succulents. They're a different kind. Plant. So I am going to awkwardly try. There, I'm setting that down right in the middle of the grass. I opened up this package, sewn together, so it might be hard to get open. I don't know. Let me see. I am opening it up the best I can. Oh, it's a cute little pouch. My goodness. Let me show you. Look at that. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Well, you know, I think I need a pair of scissors for this. So I am going to go ahead and leave you this nice picture of this nasturtiums, which will be very pleasant when they get flowers. And the herb pot. I'll be right back.